Welcome to the Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, April 16th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update we have a flashback, a mini retro console that will be the Sega Megadrive Mini. Apparently will soon appear and coincide with the 30th anniversary of the release of the Megadrive by Sega. And it is and has been more than 20 years since Sega has released a console with the Dreamcast. So I guess a lot of nostalgia in the air. Well, an internal memo that leaked is actually showing how Apple is warning employees of arrests and that it is illegal to leak any information about products and services from the company. Memo says 29 employees were caught in the last year and 12 were arrested for leaking information that Apple deems to be private. So it's kind of a scare tactic basically here to try to stop leaks from inside Apple. Google is being asked to respect the right to be forgotten in the European Union after an unnamed man who got jailed and released is asking the search engine to remove entries. Yet Google says, well, it's because it's anonymous. We don't have a name, we don't have anything. It doesn't really point out to that person. Why should we erase it? And of course, it's kind of an ongoing debate. Anonymous, should it be erased? Well, Fluent Design, of course, is appearing in Windows 10 apps and in also Windows 10 operating system here, there, and everywhere. While Microsoft started to roll out Fluent Design within its online websites, including its account portal. It will roll out this Fluent Design look within websites as they are modernizing the look and feel of their own internet websites. Well, a interesting report shows that even though, people think they're actually safe using their Android device, many companies that we've learned that last week, many companies lie about the Android security updates on their phones. Well, many users are now wondering, are we as secure as we think when we go online? And I think it's a valid and very good question, because if you do not have the latest security updates, you might be at risk of all sorts of problems, including hacking, data theft, and so on. Maybe it means you shouldn't go with your Android device on any public Wi-Fi. Oath, that company we forgot about, but that exists, that basically was the Yahoo company purchased by Verizon with also AOL. And basically, we learned that Oath has announced that they will scan your AOL email and Yahoo emails for targeted advertising. Of course, this is always a very delicate side of advertisement. Scanning your private or your personal emails is always something that is not really kind of cool. They do say it's only for advertisement purpose, but Of course, there's always resistance when there's new technologies and new employees and employees in new technologies. Well, basically, a study says that one of the biggest problems in the workplace is resistance to new technologies from employees, and apparently it's driving IT workers completely nuts and stressing them out. And it seems that the technology gap from employee to, of course, the technology side is a real problem. And so it's kind of, it's something that it's easy to see people don't like change. So, of course, they try to resist it as long as they can. Well, Netflix Universal Windows Platform app was updated on Windows 10 and now supports in-picture mode. And we hear talks of maybe a progressive web app appearing soon for Netflix. Smartphone sales might actually slow down according to a study, and the simple reason is that now that we're starting to hear about 5G, the next generation networks that promise to be real fast, a lot of people saying, well, my phone is quite alright, and if I'm to buy another phone that's still 4G, why should I spend money? Let's wait for the 5G. The problem is 5G deployment is going rather slow, and they say that this might actually hurt sales of the smartphones. Security experts are saying, well, we were all going crazy about the data scooped by governments, when in fact, maybe we need to look somewhere else. After the Cambridge Analytica problem with Facebook, it seems that we might need to be afraid of private companies much more than the government itself. And finally, police and law enforcement are apparently quickly getting in line to use technologies from two companies. Celebrite, which is an Israeli company that says it can hack into any iPhones, and Grayshift is a newcomer to the hacking of iPhones, and they say that they both offer technologies that let you crack into the phone and see its content. And apparently it's very popular with the police and law enforcement. This was the Tech News Update for Monday, April 16th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.